Some cars aren't just built for speed, they are made to conquer the track. The Dodge Viper GTS-R is one of those machines, designed with aggressive aerodynamics, a wide stance, and a powerful V10 engine that delivers pure racing performance. This isn't just a car, it's a legend born from competition, built to push limits and break records. Now, Hot Wheels brings this track beast to life in 1/64 scale, capturing every detail from its bold racing stripes to its low, streamlined body. It's a perfect blend of muscle and precision, made for collectors, racing fans, and anyone who appreciates high-performance engineering. True legends never slow down. They keep pushing forward. The roar of the engine, the thrill of the race, and the relentless pursuit of victory live on. This is the Hot Wheels Dodge Viper GTS-R, a true icon of speed, power, and racing heritage. The Dodge Viper debuted in 1991, inspired by classic American muscle and built for raw performance. With a massive V10 engine, minimal driver aids, and aggressive styling, it quickly became an icon. The GTS model, introduced in 1996, added a more refined design with the signature double-bubble roof and racing stripes. Dodge took the Viper to the track, and in 1997, the Viper GTS-R dominated endurance racing, winning at Le Mans and securing multiple championships. Over the years, the Viper evolved, gaining more power and advanced technology, but always staying true to its brutal, high-performance roots. Though production ended in 2017, the Viper remains a legend, celebrated for its uncompromising speed, bold design, and racing success.